Hello guys, so the tool you are seeing in this video is called D2 shifting tool. It's designed to open and close becker style sliding sleeves by applying upward or downward gyring action. Okay, and when the tool is jarred upward, it opens the sliding sleeve. Okay, and the same thing when it's being changed, when it's being turned upward, you can do the same thing. You can jar down and you close the sleeve. Okay, that's the side doors. Okay, so applying upward jarring upon it, and when you turn it over and run the other way,